two, one.
Hi Lane. I'm giving you a tutorial on how to upload videos to YouTube para ma-expert na ka Lane. Expert na ka mag-upload ng mga videos. Mo na siya. So here we go. Una sa tanan, okay? Here we go. Una sa tanan, um, um, you go to Google, no? And you type YouTube. You know how to do it. It's either you type it here, no? Sundan lang ang akong cursor lane. It's either you type it here or you click i-click nimo ning mga apps like what I'm doing now. Click na ko ang apps and here's YouTube. Ako na siyang i-click to take me to YouTube. Okay? Now, okay. Now, naana ko sa YouTube. I'm in my channel. My YouTube channel. Tapos, as you can see, kaning screen sa YouTube, makita nimo on the upper right hand na ay upload. No? Okay, it's still loading pa man ang akong kuan. Na pa man ang blue. So, I'll just wait nga mahuman ni siya og load. Okay, here it is. No? See the open pump. Okay, I'll click upload. Nya mag-load na siya. I'm sorry, the net is so slow. Okay, we'll wait for the menu. Naman goes ng menu. Okay, now, mo ni siya, when you click upload, mo ni siyang mugawas lane. It's still loading. Okay, now, na diri, select files to upload or drag and drop video files. This is where you click para kaning pag-click nimo ani, this will take you to your file manager. Unya didto ka mo pili og videos to upload to YouTube. Now, you see here na here's a drop-down menu for the privacy of your video. Naay nakabutang diri public, pero if you click the drop-down arrow, na diha ang public, unlisted, or private. Now, those videos nga akong i-upload for my personal consumption only, ako na siyang ibutang sa category nga unlisted. Now, before you upload a video, kanang dapat makabalo na ka if you want to show it to the public or you just want to upload it for your personal consumption. Now, kaning i-upload na ko nga video karon is kanang sa Children's Sunday nga video. So I would want nga makita na siya sa public so that many people can access it. So kani diri ako ning i-change to public. Okay? Now i-click na ko ni for YouTube to take me to my file manager. Now, this is my file manager. Unya na ako karon sa videos now. Kita ka videos. Now, in my videos, ako mga video files, I will select a video nga gusto na ko i-upload. Now, mangita na lang ko diri og video nga kuan ra kaayo kanang what's this? Short so that dali ra ang pag-process, dali ra ang pag-kuan. Upload. Okay. Like this one, kaning MC. This is very short. So, i-click na ko ni and then open. Okay, we're here. Now, you can see here nga naadiri uploading 0%. Now, YouTube is now uploading your video. Unya, it's 1%. Unya, dili ni siya dali ma-upload lane because ang videos nga you upload to YouTube are queued. So, as many as kanang daghan kaayo mo pa-upload, so you need to wait for your turn. That's why di siya automatic, no? Daghan kaayo nang upload all over the world. So right now, ang uploading sa video nga akong is only at 3%. Now it says here nga about 24 minutes remaining. So what I will do while this YouTube is uploading my video, I will have to cut short this recording tapos just come back later kung kuha na 100% na uploaded or na process na, it's ready for i-publish na. So i-cut short sa ninako lane ang tutorial and then I'll just come back later. Okay? Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.